Hello friends, good morning. I am S.K. Saroj, a new teacher of your school. My name is S.K. Saroj. As being an English teacher, today I am going to teach you notice. But before going to start notice, I would like to ask you, do you know notice? What is notice? Or what do you know about notice? Don't know? Okay, no problem. Then let me clear what is notice. First of all, you see notice. A type of information. Notice is a type of information given to a lot of people at mass level at once. Means when we want to inform any information to a lot of people or to a mass level people at once, then we have to follow, we are going to write, we issue notice. It means any company, any school, any organization want to inform any information, then by writing notice, information is given to everyone. Okay, so as I already told you, a type of information means there are different types of information which are given through notice to a lot of people. But we have to follow some tips to write notice. If we don't follow the format of the notice, because notice is always written in a format. If we don't follow the format of the notice, then it's sure that your mark will be deducted in the examination. So, we will study about the notice. Notice can be divided into two parts. First one known as a general notice, and second one known as a special notice. Okay friends? General notice and a special notice. Then you can ask, so what is difference between general and a special notice? Okay, so general notice means the general information to given all people, all the members who are related with that company, with that organization, with that school, and a special given to a special category of people. Suppose in a school there is a different club and a cultural club want to hold a meeting. So for that club will issue a notice. Then that notice will be all the members of that club, not for whole school or all the students. Such type of notice is called a special notice. Sometimes in a school, some organizing will be organized by some special classes, just like 9 to 12th. So that will be also under a special notice. Suppose any cultural program is going to organize for whole school, and every student, all the students belonging to different classes can participate, and that for that purpose notice is issued, then it will be general notice, because it will be given to all the people, all the students belonging to that school. So such type of notice is called general notice. But before writing notice, we have to know about the format of the notice. Without knowing the format of the notice, if we write notice, then that will be not obtain good marks. Means if we don't follow the format of the notice, means we are going to lose our marks in writing of notice. So there is a format of notice we have to follow, and that belong to some tips also. So now What are the tips to write notice? First of all, it should be in a box. Second, it should not move. It should not be more than 50 words. Okay? Its language should be formal. Okay. And three dates are mentioned. Means 3 dates should be mentioned in the notice. What are 3 dates? First date, when issue. Second date, when program will be held. And third, what will be last date to submit the names of participants. Okay. So like this way we have to follow the tips, and there should be there is a format also how to write notice. So if we are going to follow the format of the notice, then first of all we have to draw a box of 3 lines, not more 4 lines. Means 4 lines will be there, but after completion of notice. If you are drawing a box of 4 lines, then if your notice exceeds the 4th line, in that situation your notice will not be a good manner. So after completion, before writing notice, we have to draw a box of 3 lines, and after completion the notice, we should draw the 4th line. It is a good manner to get good marks. Okay. So as I have drawn already a box of 3 lines, then format. First of all, we have to write the name of organization. Name of organization or institute or schools. Okay. And it should be in both letters. You can write a small letters or you can write capital letter. But if you are writing in capital letter, then there is no problem. But if you are going to write in a small letter, then after writing the name of institute, organization or schools, it should be underlined. And then a gap of 1 line should be left. So 1 line gap. And then in center we have to write notice. Mostly it is written in capital, but by mistake if you write in a small letter, then it should be underlined. Okay. Now again make a gap of 1 line and then have to write heading. Means for what purpose you are going to write that notice. So purpose should be written as a heading of the notice. Okay. So here should be heading. Heading also in same way, if you are writing in a small letter, then it should be underlined, If you are writing completely capital letter, then it doesn't require to write to draw underline. Now we have two gaps. So mostly in last gap we should mention the date of issuing. So when we are going to issue this date, means suppose 20th September 2020. It is a date for the issuing of the notice. And now we can write here like this way. After writing heading, if your writing is good, then there should be no gap of one line. And but if you feel your writing is not good, so after writing heading, you can make a gap of one line again, and then you can write the content of the notice like this way. This is to inform to. And after writing this, we have to think here for whom we are writing, what type of notice we are going to write, means general or a special. If it is general, then here should be, this is to inform to all the students of this school. This is this type of content belongs to general notice. If we are going to write a special, then here should be, this is to inform to the students of classes 9 to 12 that. Okay students, just have to follow a little differences between a special and general. If you are going to write general, then this is to inform to all the students of this school. And if you are going to write a special, then it should be, this is to inform to all the members of cultural club, to the students of these classes, to these classes, like this way. And then that our school or our school or institute, whatever will belongs this institute or company, whatever, is going to organize, or you can write is organizing also. Is going to organize, it increase a word, and if you are writing here is organizing, then it decreases one word. So organize, and here should be heading. Whatever you have written in heading, that should be here as a information, and then here on, at, and at, means on belongs to on what date you are going to organize, and at belonging to venue. Here should be date of organization, here should be at venue where you are going to organize, and at here should be time, at what time your organization will be started. Okay, so this is called information of the notice. Okay, but if you are going to write invitation with that notice for the participant, for participate, when you are going to write, then you have to invite. So here, after completion of the first paragraph, you can write here all those students who want to participate may submit their names their names to their class teachers before. Here should be also a date for the closing for the participant. Okay, now your notice is complete. Now your notice is completed. But it may be, if you are or if you left any information, then one line should be mentioned. By mentioning that line, all information is believed as a complete. Means what? For more information, can contact to undersigned. Means by writing this line, or you can write in another way also, for further information, like this way, undersigned. And now here should be your sign, then designation. Who is going to write this? So designation should be mentioned, and then name should be in capital letter. Now fourth line of the box should be closed. It means drawn. By drawing the line, box should be closed. By this way, your notice is completed. And now you can ask me, see here again, again I would like to tell you, this is called name of organization, this is called notice, and this one is called date, and this is called purpose, and then all these are called, first paragraph called a type of information, second is invitation, and fourth is mentioning. If you have any queries, you can contact to this person. By contacting this person, you can know more about the notice. Okay, and now by this way your notice is completed. Okay, क्या रहा ये?